best advice that I will give you, that take this powder puff or any powder puff you have, just place that. So I did receive this box, this beautiful box from Mcleye. This is a Lense company, and we are going to try them all out. So I'm just gonna open the box. So this is what the box is, how the box is. They have sent me 5 lenses which I chose myself. So these are the lens in packaging, and these are the boxes that they sent me. I absolutely love these. I mean, I love to keep my lens in these ones because they have an applicator, and they do have an applicator and a small like tweezer to pick them up as well. They sent me five boxes and 5 lens, obviously. They also sent me some freebies. Oh, nice. They sent me a mirror, a small mirror, and they also sent me this glitter kind of a thing that is an eyeliner. Like, this was the whole box. So let's open them and I'll show you which lens did I choose. This one is called Illusory Brown. Illusory, I think Illusory, that's what it's called. Illusory Brown. So I'm going to try this out first. Let's open the box along. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this has one container, and then it has one tweezer to pick the lens up, and then they have one applicator to apply the lens with. I use this simple like saline solution that is from Tesco. I use this for rinsing and rehydrating all types of contact lenses. So I use this to rehydrate my every kind of lens that I use. So I will just put it in the container. I can see, yeah, ready for my lens. They already have a little water inside it, but do remember you have to throw this away. Don't keep it. Throw this water away. Soak it up. Wow. Oh my god, this is absolutely amazing, isn't it? I love it. I love this illusory brown color. So this is what the lens actually looks like. I mean, wow, I'm totally amazed. It looks so beautiful. The before, you can see the before and the after. I mean, it's so absolutely beautiful. I love this color. It's like so natural on me. So natural. I love it. And I love how it makes the eyeball look a bit bigger as well. So both of the lenses are in, guys, and oh my god, let me tell you how beautiful do they look. They look absolutely amazing, and they completely look like they are my eyes. Like, I can live with these. I mean, like, wow, I love these, honestly. And I love how they make the eyeball look a bigger size, because eyeballs are quite small. So I love that how they make it look bigger. And they're so comfortable. Like right now I just put them in for the first time, and they're very comfortable. Obviously you have to take care of your lens, but they are very comfortable to wear. Now let me show you how I take them off, and then the next lens I will tell you in detail that how I put it on. Some people take it out with their like their fingers. I don't prefer to do that because sometimes I have long nails, and the nails can actually make the lens like rip from anywhere, like they can tear anywhere. So that's why I don't use my fingers. Also, like, I feel like you can have any kind of impurities on your fingers, especially when I'm doing my makeup and all that, so it all can rub off on your lens and it can go in your eye. So I prefer to use the tools that they give us. So I'm just gonna take this tool. Now I'll take this powder puff as well. If you're wearing makeup, this is the best advice that I will give you, that take this powder puff or any powder puff you have, just place that here. If you place a finger, the makeup is going to come off. So place it here, pull the skin a bit down, and just looking straight, just take this. This is not going to hurt you, trust me. Take this, pull it a little aside, and just pinch it out. Let me do the same with the next one. Just just pinch it out. See, I took them off and my eyes did not even water because I didn't poke myself. I knew, I just took it to the side and then pinched it out, so it was okay. The next one is Secret Garden Kalite or Kalite, I don't know, but this is a Secret Garden one. All the links will be in the description box below. I do have a discount code as well. I do like their lens. They're like bigger and they're like so beautiful, and this is like a bluish shade. Let's see. Remember, you have to keep changing the solution. I will definitely make a video separately on how to take care of your lenses and how to make them last longer, so do keep an eye on that. If you have makeup on, remember you need this powder puff, and now is the time to apply. I told you, Secret Garden Kalite, I think. So take this, put it on your under your eye and pull it down a bit. Take the lens, look straight into the mirror. I have a mirror in front of me. Look straight into the mirror and just put it on your, like this. Don't worry, it will stick itself. I will water, so remember, keep a bud handy. Just put it on your inner corner. This is actually a beautiful color. You can see the difference, like, oh wow. I mean, this is beautiful. This is like kind of a royal blue kind of a color. I do look nice. It's like kind of a royal blue kind of a color. Okay, I love the color, but the lenses itself is a bit too big, I think, because I think it's filling a lot of my eye. I think it's a little too big, but I do like the color. But the lens itself, I feel like, whose eyes are these? It looks a bit too big, but I do like it. So this one is Secret Garden Kalite. The third one that I'm going to try is Iris Green. Okay, wow, this is gorgeous. I mean, this is what I mean. The size is perfect, and wow, this is gorgeous. It's like green, but it's brown. Wow, I love it. Can you see? This is like gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It was like a little green, like the outer corner was a little brown, then green, then brown, but it looks like it is giving me more brown, like brown color. I don't see much of green there. In lens, I do like brown color, so this is like absolutely beautiful, and the size is perfect as well. You see what I meant with the previous one? The size was a bit bigger. This is like the size is perfect, like absolutely gorgeous. So the next one I'm going to be applying is Iris Blue. So previous one was Iris Green and this is Iris Blue. So this is Iris Blue. I am very shocked that Iris Green was more brown, but this is like actually blue. This is blue. So yeah, I do like it. It's beautiful. I do love it. Let me put in the second one. So this is the close-up of the lens. The color of the lens is nice. I do like it. So this is like the Iris Blue, guys. I absolutely love it. This is gorgeous as well. The size is perfect too. So this is Iris Blue. I have inserted a close-up with my camera as well. So now we are going to try the next one, which is Bloom Pearl Grey. Let's try this out. Wow. I really didn't expect it to be this. Whoa. I thought it would be more like darker gray, not like this, but oh my god, I mean, like, whoa. I look like the Ice King from Game of Thrones, but it's beautiful. It is beautiful, honestly speaking, it is. Let me apply the second one and I'll be back. So this is Bloom Pearl Grey. I do like it. I mean, on brown skin it looks nice. This is the close-up, guys. If you can see, this is so gorgeous. This is the last one, guys. Bloom Pearl Grey. I thought I looked like at the Ice King, but I don't. I actually do like it. I love it, in fact. So yes, I showed you a close-up as well, and this is how it looks. I mean, this is my favorite, and let me tell you the 3 favorites that I have. This is one of it. This is the gray, the Pearl Bloom Gray. This is my favorite. Then this one, Iris Green. This is my favorite. And the last but not the least is the Illusory Brown. This is also my favorite. So yes, all of these were beautiful, but these are my favorite ones. Do go ahead and check them out, guys. All the links are in the description box below with the names mentioned. So all the names of the lens and the links will be there. Also, there's a discount code. If you buy with my link, you will get 15% off. The discount code is Hala, just simply my name. So go ahead and get these lenses. I will definitely recommend you to buy these 3: Illusory Brown, Iris Green, and the Bloom Pearl Grey. All the Bloom Pearl range was very beautiful. Now I actually regret that I did not buy the Bloom Pearl Brown and the Bloom Pearl Green. I actually did like them, but I thought I'll just have one of these. Beautiful. All of the lenses are beautiful. So go ahead and try them out, guys, and don't forget my discount code. If you buy from my link, you will get a discount of 15%. So this was it for this video, guys. If you like this video, guys, then do give me a big thumbs up. Do comment below, and please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video very, very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.